या मैं जो सुन रहा हूँ ना नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द लाइन. So till now basically we discussed lots of things. Here we discussed about the land areas, 1 lakh process basically is ongoing. That land data basically is connected with the human bodies. Here one person basically suddenly asks one question basically. Here Sunil basically in Earth planet basically 24 hours oxygen basically whatever basically the 700 crore population basically they are basically nowadays controlled by the human only basically, and that basically you can see in the computer also. For example, computer groups told that basically they have basically 3 seconds basically. So within these 3 seconds basically they have to pass their data basically in world basically. Automobile industry, they also have their oxygen data. They told that basically they also have 3 seconds. So like this basically 24 hours are calculated basically. Then one person asks the question basically. Then when basically the land gives his oxygen data, because whatever things basically are doing process basically in the land basically at the country basically country level, they passes the data to nuclear power company automatically. So here one person asks the question basically, the data basically are merged with this all 24 hours oxygen data, or basically the data basically are passed differently which is not able to trackable basically. So next video.